Hello, friends. Welcome back to Twin Talk English. Today I'm going to talk about something very important. How to speak English with confidence, even if you're just starting. Yes, it's possible. And I'm here to help you. Let's begin this journey together. When I started learning English, I was nervous. I knew only a few words. I was afraid people would laugh if I made a mistake. Does that sound like you? Don't worry, everyone starts small. Just like a baby takes one step, falls, and then walks again. We also need to keep trying. Making mistakes? That's normal. Mistakes are not bad, they are steps to success. Want a great tip? Talk to yourself in English. Yes. Really. Say what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking rice. Even 5 minutes a day helps your brain get stronger. If you feel shy around others, no problem. Speak in front of a mirror. Practice how your mouth moves. Smile. Breathe. Speak again. The biggest fear is this: what if I say it wrong? My answer: say it anyway. Most people don't care about small mistakes. They see your effort. They respect your courage. I still make mistakes sometimes, and that's okay. The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to communicate. Even simple words can connect hearts. Babies don't read grammar books. They listen. Every day. And slowly. They start speaking. You can do the same. Watch cartoons, short videos, or English podcasts. Listen to how people speak. How they say hello or thank you with feeling. Repeat what you hear. Copy the sound and rhythm. This is how music lovers learn to sing. You are learning the music of English. Try to use English in real life. At a shop. Say thank you. On the phone. Try saying hello. How are you? Write a short message to a friend in English. Even 2 sentences a day will help. You don't need long talks, just real, daily practice. Also, join groups online or meet people who are also learning. You can grow together. You are not alone. Reading out loud is powerful. Pick a short story or dialogue. Read it slowly. Then read again. Each time, you learn more. Repeat your favorite sentences. Say them with feeling. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I will not give up. These small lines build big confidence. The most important person in this journey is you. If you say I can't, then your brain stops trying. But if you say I can, you open the door to progress. Now, you must believe in yourself. You don't need to be fast. You only need to be steady. Like climbing a hill, one step at a time. Thank you for listening to Twin Talk English. Remember, every small step counts. Speak, listen, repeat, and never give up. You're doing better than you think. Keep shining. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye and happy learning.